Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about the topic trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First we define complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree and each angle is called the complement of the other. Thus, theta and 90 degree minus theta are complementary angles. That is, theta plus 90 degree minus theta equal to 90 degree. Dear students, the formulae which express the trigonometric ratios of complement of theta, that is trigonometric ratio of 90 degree minus theta in terms of those of theta are called complementary formulae. Here a theorem: if theta is an acute angle, then prove that sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta, tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta, cot 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta, sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta. Let's start proof. Consider a right angled triangle ABC at B. Let angle ACB equal to theta and angle BAC equal to 90 degree minus theta, which we can see from the figure 1. For angle theta, we have perpendicular equal to AB and base equal to BC. In this case, sin theta, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Cos theta, base by hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to BC by AC. Tan theta, that is perpendicular by base. So tan theta equal to AB by BC. Cot theta, that is base by perpendicular. So cot theta equal to BC by AB. Sec theta, that is hypotenuse by base. So sec theta is equal to AC by BC. Cosec theta, that is hypotenuse by perpendicular. So cosec theta is equal to AC by AB. Now, for angle 90 degree minus theta, we have perpendicular equal to BC, base equal to AB. Therefore, sin 90 degree minus theta, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to BC by AC. Cos 90 degree minus theta, that is base by hypotenuse. So cos 90 degree minus theta equal to AB by AC. Tan 90 degree minus theta, that is perpendicular by base. So tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to BC by AB. Cot 90 degree minus theta, that is base by perpendicular. So cot 90 degree minus theta equal to AB by BC. Sec 90 degree minus theta, that is hypotenuse by base. So sec 90 degree minus theta equal to AC by AB. Cosec 90 degree minus theta, that is hypotenuse by base. So cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to AC by BC. Dear students, for angle theta we have taken first, and for angle 90 degree minus theta we have taken second. From first and second we get sin theta equal to AB by AC equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. Cos theta equal to BC by AC equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. Tan theta equal to AB by BC equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. Cot theta equal to BC by AB equal to tan 90 degree minus theta. Sec theta equal to AC by BC equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta. Cosec theta equal to AC by AB equal to sec 90 degree minus theta. For all values of angle theta lying between 0 degree and 90 degree, means 0 degree less than theta less than 90 degree. From the above discussion we get sin theta equal to cos 90 degree minus theta, tan theta equal to cot 90 degree minus theta, sec theta equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta, cos theta equal to sin 90 degree minus theta, cot theta equal to tan 90 degree minus theta, cosec theta equal to sec 90 degree minus theta. Dear students, assignment is given. Solve exercise 8.3 from NCERT. Thank you.